I'll tell you what, the weather kind of makes it feel a little like Christmas.
Yeah, even if we have to do things, I mean, you know, because we look forward to so many things that we're going to be doing outside during the holiday season. We have the Christmas show in Johnson City, Windcrest, you have all the lights. But Ryan, I mean, if it just wouldn't be as cold and rainy, it would be perfect to go to these events.
The list goes on and on for these events across the area. But yeah, the weather is starting to stabilize. And by this week, guys, it's going to start to dry out and we'll see less rain later this week and more warmth. Temperatures are back in the 70s very soon. As a matter of fact, take a look at the weekly forecast. The average high temperature this time of year is around 73. Tomorrow we'll be at 59, so it's going to be cool and damp tomorrow. Very wet, more numerous showers expected for tomorrow. Tuesday it will start to dry out. The sun will come out. Temperatures back in the 70s and even near 80 by Friday and Saturday, as the sun returns and more of the spring-like warmth builds back in. In the meantime, though, rain chances look pretty high tomorrow, 80% on coverage of light rain. And here's the setup on water vapor is what we call the X-ray of the atmosphere. You can see dry air out west and a lot of moisture just pumping over South Texas. And that's been the story for the last couple of days, and it continues overnight. And as a result of this, we're on this eastern side of low pressure, and what this will do is produce a lot of lift in the atmosphere, overrunning over a colder air mass, I should say. And that's going to generate, again, numerous showers, more widespread rain tomorrow, and things start to improve late Monday night into Tuesday morning. This system, as you can see, the rotation, the counterclockwise swirl right over northern Mexico, moving into West Texas. That's going to move its way farther east past San Antonio tomorrow night, and that'll result in a drying trend and some warmer weather on the way by later on this week. Meantime, a little busy on radar. We're going to show you a better look at it, and you'll see more widespread rain towards Gonzales, towards Houston, Galveston, towards Hallettsville, and towards Cuero. We'll stop the clock and show you kind of how it looks right now as of 10:16 p.m. Heavy rain in some areas between Gonzales, between there and Seguin, Nixon, Yoakum, and towards Cuero. That's one batch of rain. On the south side of San Antonio, more light stuff, especially towards let's say Chavano Park, Von Ormy, towards Lytle, just a light shower over there. If anything, just a few sprinkles, and more moderate rain between the southern side of Bexar County towards Elmendorf, St. Hedwig, and along I-10, and more widespread rain between Beeville, Corpus Christi, and Rockport, Texas, towards the coast. So there is rain around, and this will continue the trend through the overnight as moisture just continues to crank in over Texas in the overnight hours. Right now, it's mostly wet. We have some rain out there, especially at the airport. 57 at San Antonio International. Winds are light. Tomorrow's forecast, very similar. 50s all day, numerous showers, and then by the evening hours, we'll trend drier. And here's a look at the hour by hour for tomorrow, 7 a.m. We may see a break in the activity, mostly cloudy skies, middle 50s, some light rain moving through. Now, the latest run of our high-resolution model is keeping most of the rain tomorrow farther west and north towards Rock Springs, Del Rio, towards the Hill Country. So heads up, if you're watching from Kerrville and Fredericksburg, you may see a little bit more rain in the next 12 to 24 hours. And notice by Tuesday afternoon, sky is clear and we're back in this 70s, so it's going to be very nice. And again, here's the latest run, just about 1/10 of an inch of rainfall on top of what we already seen, and heavier rainfall rates between Rock Springs, Kerrville, Fredericksburg, north of Del Rio, and north of the Rio Grande Valley as well. Rain chance returns by next weekend. Right now, just spotty activity Saturday with more scattered showers on Sunday next weekend. All right, 7-day forecast, 59 tomorrow. Bundle up and drive safely tomorrow morning. The roads will be wet and visibility will be reduced in some areas. 68 on Tuesday, back in the 70s by Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, with another rain chance returning by Saturday and Sunday. But right now, just spotty activity in the San Antonio metro and across the area for next weekend. All right, Casey, big news out of College Station.
Yeah.